This video shows you how to set up your new printer. Open the box. Remove the power cord, toner cartridge box, and the setup and safety information sheets. Remove the packing material. Lift the printer out of the plastic. When lifting the printer, make sure to place a hand on the front side to prevent it from tipping over. Remove all the packing material inside the printer. Unpack the toner cartridges. Insert the toner cartridges and then close door B. Remove the tray. Adjust the guides to match the size of the paper that you are loading. For legal size paper, extend the guide backward to accommodate its length. Flex, fan, and align the paper edges before loading the stack to avoid paper jams. Make sure that the stack height is below the maximum paper fill indicator. Insert the tray. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. Select the display language in your country or region, and then swipe left. If you do not want to create an admin account now, then touch Setup later. Note, in some countries or regions, you must create an admin account to proceed with the printer setup. Touch Use the defaults and skip this wizard to configure the fax and email settings later. You can set up the fax and email settings via Settings menu when you are ready. You can choose to send printer usage and performance information to Lexmark anonymously. Information such as number of pages printed, toner levels, device errors, and metrics help Lexmark improve device performance and enable better service. Swipe left. Touch Confirm and launch. When the Remove Packaging reminder message appears, touch More information to see the removal steps. Open doors A and B, and then check for any packing material that is left inside the printer to clear the message. Connect the printer to your network. Download and install the Lexmark Universal Print Driver. Go to lexmark.com/drivers and then search for your printer model. The printer is now ready to use.